Okay, so everybody, welcome to our observatory platform on the underwater platform. So right now, as you can see there at the bottom, that's the aquarium tunnel. So we are on the top of the main tank. And I'm giving a slice of tilapia fish. Alright, so that's what I'm telling. So they're quite aggressive once the food is coming to the... Okay? So they are all same family of Trevally. It has different species only if you notice is those lighter white, like silver one, this is darker one, this is the golden. I mean this is the giant, that's a big eye, and the golden is the black, yellow and black stripe. So it comes together on this corner. So again, the water that we have is a seawater. We don't change the water, we filter it. Yeah, so we filtered, we recycle the same water. And also sometimes we give them some pellets, the brown color, the dried one. We also do that, we also eat that one. And maybe you're thinking that what I'm giving is a few amount of fish, right? Food. And it's a few amount of food because some of the food that they are needs to be fed for them, it was inside the aquarium. So what our divers will do, they will hide. They are very lucky they're not on plastic. Yeah? Okay. Another one. And last one for now. Alright. So they always do like that. Every day we open till we...
Coco. 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 Ooh. 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 Coco.